today I'm going to be doing a big review on some brand new Lawless beauty products. I don't think I've done a Lawless beauty review on my channel yet, so this is a really exciting one, and I'm doing like 2-in-1. I'm just doing a full Lawless huge product review and tutorial for you. So I'm going to be showing you how to use the new watermelon products to create this kind of gorgeous pinky blushed summer look. I'm going to be doing a review of that line as well as the new lip liners and lipsticks that they launched, this huge box of all the colors I'm going to be swatching and talking about. This line is just perfect for summer. They launched 4 products: a plumper, a lip mask, a lip balm, and a blush. So gorgeous colors all in this watermelon shade. The thing about Lawless Beauty that I'm so thrilled about is it is a clean brand. It honestly is really hard to find a luxury clean brand of makeup that actually has like the quality of a luxury makeup brand. They don't have a lot of them out there. You'd think they do, but when you look into it, they really don't. Blush that they launched is in this cute little, I think it's like a rose gold package, Talc-Free velvet blush. Isn't fully matte and it's not shimmer. It's got a little bit of sparkle in it, but they're so finely milled that it is kind of just like a satin almost kind of finish. So when you put it on your skin, it just doesn't look matte or shiny. It's just a perfect glow. So the finish of it, I'm really impressed by. Beautiful color. It's the perfect mix of not too bright, not too dark, not too light, it's just the perfect pink for everyone and just makes you look fresh and alive and awake. It's like one of my new favorite glosses, this Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss, because it is the perfect amount of plumping. That's what I found. And the longevity of this gloss is crazy. It's a lip plumping product, so it has that tingling sensation that lip plumping products have. Longevity of it's crazy. I've worn it out and I had wine, I had dinner, pasta food, and it was still on when I was talking to my friend at the end of dinner. Color is beautiful, just a super fresh pop of pink that looks natural and beautiful on the lips. The effect of it is perfect. It is the perfect balance of not too much, obviously not too little. It is there, it is doing something. And I have tried a lot of lip products and this is the most like neutral, tolerable, probably for everyone. Most people anyways, for that plumping factor. Other 2 products they have, I wore this Forget the Filler Overnight Lip Plumping Mask because my lips, it's the middle of summer here, they usually don't get dry or crack, but they did. I think I was just really dehydrated one day or one week, and that's what happened. So I wore it overnight to help me get my lips back to state, and it really helped. So Forget the Filler mask. I just use my nail because my nails are long right now. Very sheer, you can barely see it. Lip mask kind of texture to it. Balmy mask. I found that when I put it on my lips, it was comfortable. It looked great in the moment. It's got a very subtle hint of pink. It's not like a colored thing that will come off on your sheets or anything. It did the trick. When I woke up, it wasn't fully off. It wasn't like caked on my face. It was the perfect balance of enough protection on the lips that it actually will do something overnight. Last product they launched is a Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Tinted Balm Stick. So this is another option if you don't really feel like wearing a gloss like this. You've done the treatment mask. This is more for those low-key kind of days. I wear products like this all the time. It just has a hint of color. It's not as pigmented as the gloss, not obviously as light as the mask, just that perfect kind of middle amount. It's gorgeous rose gold kind of metal thin casing. That is the watermelon line, and now I'm going to go right into the lips and lip liners and go over some swatches of those products. So this beautiful package is the new Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Satin Cream Lipsticks and lip liners. Oh, I don't know if I've ever received a package this big of lip liners and lipsticks. I was so excited when I saw it, but it's just beyond beautiful. That's Annie Lawless, the creator of Lawless Beauty. So it's a lip plumping line smoothing satin cream lipstick in 12 shades, 12 lip liners as well, kind of make your lips look better with time. Natural oils in it. Liner is $21 and there's 12 shades of that as well. So they're really supposed to all do that hydrating, plumping factor that the lipstick, the lip liner, were all kind of contributing to have the same look. This came with another one of the Forget the Filler lip glosses. I just went over the watermelon one, and this one's in Rosy Outlook. I'm a huge fan of this lip gloss. Like, it's my new favorite Lip-Plumping lip gloss. This one is easy to pair over all of these shades. And how beautiful all of these lip liners and lipsticks look. Shades everyone can wear. It's in a gorgeous true kind of pencil packaging. Nude Honey. It's a gorgeous, I'd say it's like mid-tone, dark neutral brown. It's a little bit of warmth to it. Next is Velvet Peach. This is a lighter shade in the lipstick line, definitely light to medium pigment, light peach color. Desert Mauve, so this one's gonna be darker for gorgeous deep tone brown. So it's mauvey, so it does have a little bit of, maybe not purple or pink, but a little bit of that kind of coming through with the brown, and it's definitely a darker kind of pigment color. And these lip liners, as I apply them, are so smooth for a pencil. Pencils usually are not that smooth or comfortable on the skin. I'll show you on my arm as I apply it, just how easily that kind of softly and easily that glides. I'm barely pressing down, so it's a very glidable, smooth formula. It's comfortable. You don't have to like etch so much at the skin for it to stay. When you touch it, it does kind of soften a little bit. You can blend it out and blend it into the lip product you're using. So this is Rosewood. This is kind of a lighter version of Desert Mauve. So it's got a little bit more pinkiness to it, and it's more of a medium kind of pigmented shade. I have Honey Rose, which is a cute name and interesting combo. Dark shade, and it's called Honey Rose, even though I don't see really much warmth in it. I see a little bit more of a mauvey rose kind of undertone to it. Then we have Pink Slip. Definitely a lighter pink shade, kind of a light, dusty, mauvey pink. And Cinnamon, which is always a classic kind of name and shade for a lip liner. Definitely a true cinnamon color, so more of a middle to dark, probably more on the dark side of a lip liner. And that cinnamon kind of warmth, that warm kind of terracotta-ish color coming through. True Love. This one is kind of the one shade in the line that's different. This is a kind of really nice mid bright tone red. So this is just for when you really want to wear like that gorgeous kind of red lip color, but it's a very neutrally to warm undertone of a red. The one I'm missing, which is the one I applied on my lip today for the tutorial, is Pink Sandy. Neutrally pink is just beautiful. It's mid-tone pink, so you can make it kind of impact more with lighter lipstick, or kind of blend it in with a similar color for a neutral kind of lip with a little bit of neutral brown and pink to it. Now I'm going to go into the lipsticks. Love how Annie Lawless wears her lipsticks. She wears such gorgeous nude shades, and not all makeup launches come out with a bunch of nudes, and this is like it's all nudes, and that just makes me so excited because I love nudes and I love picking light to medium nudes depending on my mood. So this is just all very exciting. So this is Platinum, the first shade, and it's in gorgeous rose gold packaging with the logo Lawless on top. It's in a magnetic casing with a twist top and just a classic lipstick bullet. This is Platinum. You can see how light it is on the skin. Light nude with a little bit of pink to it. And this would just be beautiful blotted on the middle of the lips to give you that kind of gorgeous nude lip look. This lipstick is just as creamy as that when applied as that lip liner. It's very soft, comfortable. It doesn't really feel like you're wearing anything or have anything on. Very easy blended, just clean. There's nothing harmful in it. Next one is Annie, the name of the creator and owner of Lawless Beauty. So obviously this must be her classic go-to shade. A light nude, definitely with more of neutral kind of peachy undertones. So more of a nude look than a really light with the pink. Gorgeous shade again for a true nude with a little bit of warmth to it. And then we have Wedding Day. So this shade has to obviously be a shade that brides want for their wedding day. A kind of mid-tone nude. So this color applied on my lips would look just kind of like my lip color but better, and that's probably why they called it Wedding Day, because it's a very kind of neutral, your lip but better kind of color. Then we have Fawn. It's like Annie but just a little deeper, so it's like a light to mid-tone true nude color. Beautiful shade. It's got a little bit of warmth to it. Daisy Girl. I've been wearing this one because this one pairs very well with Pink Sand lip liner. Daisy Girl definitely is a kind of light to mid-tone nude with pink undertones. Femme is the next color. Femme is a mid-tone nude, a mauvey nude color. More of like a neutral kind of vibe to it. Then we have Tropic. This one is going to be warm toned, I can tell already. This is a mid-tone nude, definitely with some warmth to it. That Tropic name, beautiful shade. And then we have Soft Truffle. This is a really beautiful shade and I feel like will be a really popular one. It is a definitely mid-tone true nude color, so kind of neutral across the board and would look good on so many skin tones, but definitely more of a mid-tone. Then we have Cookie. Cookie is a definitely mid to dark nude, I want to say. Definitely mid, maybe a little dark, and this is more of a warm shade, like a warm chocolatey brown. Minx, we're getting darker here, which is fun. Minx is definitely, it's a little bit darker. I'd say it's still kind of mid to dark tone, but it's definitely got violet undertones. The last two, this is Morocco, so this is going to be the darkest brown in the line. This is a true kind of mid to dark chocolate brown. Got a little bit of warmth to it. It's a little bit subtle. Basically, all of these shades are feeling very soft, very true satin formula. All of these shades, very soft, glidable, comfortable on the skin. And the last shade is Who's That Lady, which is such an adorable name. So this one is going to pair with that red lip liner I showed, True Love. How beautiful that red lip color is. It's just that kind of mid-tone red that's got a little bit of warmth to it, like a little bit of corally kind of ness to it. That'll just be a gorgeous bright red pop of color. We got through all of these beautiful shades. I will jump right into the tutorial for this makeup look today so I can show you guys how to use some of these products. I've applied my base makeup already, tinted moisturizer, concealer, bronzer, and my eye and eyebrows. This blush I was wearing so much when I first got it. It's like my new favorite pink blush. I love using this It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe French Boutique Blush Brush, number 4. It's my favorite blush brushes. So it just gives you lots of room to apply, and it distributes color really evenly. So I just kind of lightly tap into the product. I like to press the product right on the apple of the cheek and start doing a circle kind of motion up and out. That's how I like to apply blush, powder blush for sure. Start to get some up here because I don't like when there is a concealer line kind of close to the eye. To apply a little bit on the nose as well. So that is the blush applied. For the lip, this lip gloss is amazing. I'm gonna apply the Forget the Filler Juicy Watermelon Plumping Gloss. For the lip liner, I always wear a lip liner with any and every product I use, always. I'm using this shade Pink Sand because I feel like it'll look good with this lip. I'm gonna apply this gloss. Love how it applies. I love the smell, hint of color, and the plumping factor is not too aggressive or feels crazy on the lips. Not too aggressive. It's the perfect amount. It stays on. I wore this out with a friend to dinner and we went out and had wine, food, we had pasta, and by the end of dinner it was still on my lips, and she was like, I need to buy that because it's still on your lips, like even after having dinner. So the longevity of it is beautiful as well as the application. This is the little tutorial using the new watermelon products. I hope you enjoyed this review of this new Lawless line as well as the new lipsticks and lip liners. Don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me at Hollywood Beauty, and don't forget to like this video down below and follow me at Hollywood Beauty. I post every single week. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week and I'll see you next time.